Welcome to Wealth Unlocked, the channel where we break down rich mindsets and ditch broke habits. Let's unlock your financial potential, one smart move at a time. Feel like budgeting is complicated? Or like you need to earn big money to even start? Nah. Budgeting is for everyone, especially if you're just getting started. And today, I'll show you a simple, no-stress system that works even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Spoiler: you don't need fancy apps. You don't need six-figure income. You just need a simple plan and a little consistency. Let's dive in. First, you gotta know your numbers. No guessing. No rounding. Pull up your last month's bank statement. List everything: your income, your rent, your groceries, your subscriptions, even that random $5 coffee. Awareness is the first step to control. Now let's set up a basic system, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs: rent, utilities, food. 30% for wants: Netflix, shopping, eating out. 20% for savings or paying off debt. Even if you're only working with a small paycheck, this rule helps you build habits that scale. The goal isn't perfection. It's progress. Here's where most people mess up. They set massive, vague goals like, save more, or spend less. Nah. Start tiny. Save $10 a week. Cut one Uber ride. Cook 2 extra meals at home. Micro wins build macro success. Real talk: willpower is overrated. Systems beat motivation every time. Set up automatic transfers. Even if it's just $5 a week to savings, make it automatic. Future you will be so glad you did. You don't need to obsess over every penny every day. Once a week, check in. Look at your bank balance. See where your money actually went. This one simple habit makes sure you're steering the ship, not drifting. Listen, it's not about having the perfect budget. It's about building awareness, building habits, and building momentum. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Ready to unlock your next money move? Tap here to dive deeper into your wealth journey. Or hit subscribe right here, so you never miss a smart move toward your financial freedom. Your future self is already thanking you. Let's build it, one smart move at a time.